there's not. Come here and talk so that we can fix it. If we fix it, we go back. Yelling doesn't fix it, though.
I'm so mad. I don't want you to get. I don't want you to get.
It's fine to be mad. You're mad in the cozy corner by yourself. It's okay to take a break.
I don't want to get inside. There might be someone sick.
No, well, Matthew's okay. He's in his own lane. You're safe, and it's okay.
I'm not safe.
Stop right now. Stop it.
I'm not even safe.
Go ahead.
It's not the safe place.
Just do it with that headphones, please.
It's not the safe place to be here.
I do not think your hands are on me.
I'll be sick.
No, you're not.
Please get the sickness out.
Hey, let's walk this way and be safe.
Get off.
Ivory, now you don't get to go back to gym because you are being unsafe.
I want to go to the gym. I just hate being
walked over
sick.
here. Calmly, you could have gone back to gym. That's all we were doing was taking a walk.
But you're
Then you
sick,
started
dude.
screaming the entire way here.
I don't want to be. I hate being sick.
No one's sick.
But I can hear the coughing.
No one's
Coughing
sick.
too. You don't think you're sick?
I am sick. Just look.
Then go take a break. If you're not feeling good, go take a break.
See?
Yep, go ahead and go there.
This makes me sick.
Then go take a break.
You know
since
what's
you're not
making
feeling
me
good.
sick? The yelling and screaming because I have a headache.
I'm sick
you
and
need to
tired
bring it in.
of this school. I want to go to CCMA.
Nice try. You can come out. You did not ask if you can use my space. And this is my space.
No. Just get me out of this room. It's not a safe place in here.
I don't want to thank you.
It's not a safe
This is, you want to
place.
know what's not safe?
It's not a safe place to be here when other kids are working on their work.
The other kids in this room are being completely safe.
All right, let's have it.
Just get off me.
Yeah.
Just get off me. I don't want to be in a working room. I'll have to. You'll make me study all day and never get to fun again. Just get me out of here.
Not gonna happen.
Yeah, it will! Just look at the
So-
kids working! Everybody in this work!
So, do you want to know what's gonna happen? I'm going to be really clear with you. You're going to zeros. Because they are working and you're being rude. So it has to
I
stop.
don't like it! It's not a safe place!
It is.
It's not a right place to be in
This
here!
is a choice you are making. You're going to go to zeros out of not being calm.
You're not making
Okay.
this easy!
No, I'm doing my job. They are learning and they're doing their work. You need to take a breath.
It's your room! You
That's
made
right.
that work! Oh, you'll make me study all day long! You never get back here to get this
You might not
idea.
leave here today if you don't stop. That's true. If you don't stop, you will spend even lunch recess in here with me.
You'll make me do some work forever!
Did you hear what Miss Grantham just said?
Yeah!
What did I say?
You'll make me do work forever!
You'll have to work in here because you're not safe to go to the classroom.
It's not safe it's not good! You're making me, you're a demon!
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way, but you cannot be unsafe and you cannot yell and scream.
I'm calling the cops!
You're not doing nothing.
I'm not doing this! I'm done! I won't
So,
come!
Miss Juliana, we're not going to talk to Ivory the rest of the day until she's kind. I do not want to be talked to unkindly, and I am done. I'm sorry. That was a bad choice. And I think Ben's outside the door. Or coming. Can you work in the pod with him, Mr. Curry? And I'll have you do lunch at, help me, after 80. Matthew, Jacob, I want you to go out here and sit with Mr. Curry. Mr. Curry, please take Matthew's Chromebook when it's time for him to go to math at 10:36. Leave science unmarked, I'll mark it. So,
I'm sorry.
go get all your nonsense.
Please, get me out of this room. I'll be kind.
So
Please
just
let me
lift
out.
your bed.
Sorry. I don't want
Be
to.
careful your hands on Miss Juliana.
I'll stay here forever.
Let me see this one time. that your hand on the teachers is not going to work, so I suggest you stop.
I don't
Matthew, let's go now.
I'm trying.
just let me go. I'll never let this work again. You're being a demon. And you're trying to make my
So I'm marking your point sheet to a 0 in kindness
Excuse
because
me.
your mouth is very unkind.
sorry. I'm sorry.
It has to stop. We don't talk to teachers that way. Yes, ever so nice.
That's just absolutely hilarious. You're being a demon.
I got your back, bud.
Oh my god.
Okay?
Mr. Curry, I need something for my dry throat.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Curry.
Something Matthew's getting something. He's got some. He's got.
Mr. Curry, I need something for my dry throat, please.
So
I
we
get
don't do any
hurt.
science?
Well,
Yeah, we don't do any science. I don't have anything you can give me.
Well,
I can't. You can't go to the nurse right now either. Okay.